3 men gadgets every man should have. This wallet is made of carbon leather with the perfect money clip to put your money in safely, an easy access front pocket, and a great capacity for all your credit cards and IDs. You can have it with the color you like and with a great slim design. And the best thing is, a wallet is a wonderful choice as a gift for men. Trust me, ladies, they will like it. This razor trumps hair from your nose down to your toes and everything in between. And yes, we do mean everything. It comes with several attachments and features that make it perfect for your not-so-private parts as well. Firstly, the blades are made of smooth ceramic material that effortlessly glides across your skin without tugging or pulling. It also has 2 adjustable guards to let you choose what like to keep your hair. Now, fellas, we know that down there is not the only place with too much hair, so we conveniently included a nostril razor attachment as well. The trimmers are rechargeable, the blades are replaceable, and you can even use it in the shower. This razor will keep your manhood fresh. This shaving kit every man must have, because it's what you need after a morning shower. Include shave bip for a clean shave, pre-shave oil to have a comfortable shave, shaving cream and brush to give you the perfect lather every time. Double-edged butterfly razor with 10 replacement refills. That got a long handle control for a smooth shave, and you can clean it easily. And also came with an aftershave balm for a fresh scent and soothing relief. Well, this is how you start your day.